Hagala asngi uble jong katayo ke MLA jong ke Shillong East Constituency i Dr. Ampareen Bah Mohedro, badu MLA ke Shillong West Constituency uba Mohendro rapsang kileno ekakam MLA jong ki bad hakane gejuk kesngi kilalit ben pyniasoh ono bad keseng National People's Party NPP bagini konik election MLA banwan nagane keseng. Kini ki arngot ki MLA ki barang syak suspend na keseng Kongres kila IT ke shithi eno akam kum ki MLA hau Commissioner but Secretary ke MLA Legislative Assembly uba Andrew Simon. Kini ki arngot ki kentup i Dr. Ampareen Bah Mohedro bad uba Mohendro rapsang. I Dr. Ampareen Bah Mohedro iloong ba kania ka jing eno akam jogini ki MLA. Kadai begini wer pyniasoh no bad keseng san partai National People's Party NPP bad banikon ki election banwan ru na keseng NPP. Hagapor mensengi ginong elam ke NPP gila pediang buram kini ki arngut ki MLA ki bidang syudap ino akam. Haga jingalang ke belalong hamadan yorengheb halat mkra. Ya i Dr. Ampareen bad uba Mohendro rapsang rengkat bad UMDC ka Janti Hills Autonomous District Council uba Langki Lamare. La pediang buram da National President ke NPP u Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ka jingadon lang National Vice President uba Prestun Tunsong u Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya u Dr. WR Karluki ki MDC ke NPP kinong ketkam ke NPP bad kipat nong kershan. Habakran ke jingelang u Konrad Kongkal Sangma u loong bagane ke jingwan yaso jong kini ki arngut ki MLA bad u MDC kadi ke singi ban saakan mau ya ke NPP. Pada kejelam Meghalaya hibar kawai namar kadi kadak ke bapeni ba ke NPP kan job bon ke election batkan thau sarkar marway haga senam arajar arpulai. Ulong pada ke jinge trailang jong baro ke NPP kan thau ke history haga bakan job bon tam ke MLA batkan thau sendon marway ya ke sarkar.
I take this opportunity to welcome Kong Ampareen Bah Mohedro rapsang and Malamare, our MDC, to the family of the National People's Party. Let's give each other a round of applause as a sign of welcome to the National People's Party. Worked shoulder to shoulder, worked together to take this beautiful state of ours forward. And here we are today, one whole circle round, back again, to be here together, to continue the work that these great leaders had started, and to take forward and take it to the logical conclusion. And that's why there's a sense of happiness and satisfaction today, not only in the hearts and minds of the leaders, but of each and every member of East Shillong, of West Shillong, and also of Narpu area, where people are seeing hope. People are seeing that there is a vision. People are seeing that yes, maybe it is possible that one day the state of ours will touch great heights. Maybe it is possible that after 50 years again, there will be a political party that will get single majority in the assembly. It is possible.